and gentlemen. Today we're back at the Volvo, and today I have a secret weapon. My Snap-on socks. No, that's not my secret weapon. My secret weapon is right here. I got myself a switch panel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run power in on this switch, and when I flip this switch I should be able to run my starter off of this button, my fuel pumps off of here, and then just have these two buttons open for whatever I want. So probably what I'll do right now is I'll go through and I'll tear apart the wiring I had set up to try and run off the stock Volvo setup and modify it so it'll fit that switch. And in theory, wow, the lighting's really bad. In theory, that should start my Volvo. Alright, so what I gotta do, pull this all apart, and then what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount my switches somewhere. I don't know yet, but we're gonna figure it out. Probably something like this, or I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and take all the relays out for my stock setup. All wired up. Now I just gotta figure out where to put it.